going on, everybody? It's your boy, Always in Boost, GT500, coming at you with another video, man. As you can see, I got a big box right here. I'm excited. I've been waiting for this a while now, too. Actually, not too long. But yeah, let's get into this video. I got this box here from BMR Suspension. I got this anti-roll bar I ordered. That's finally here. I'm going to take out the box so you guys can see, so I can see what it looks like up close. But yeah, this is from BMR Suspension. This is the Xtreme anti-roll bar, rear bolt on Durlin and hollow 35mm bushings. Check this out, man. Check this out. Let's check this out. They're heavy. Alright. See how we're gonna make this work. Ain't that light, guys? Sheesh. You know what? Let's put this thing on the table. Slide this bad boy on out. I'm gonna keep this table here. I think this is going to add some weight to the back of the car. This thing ain't light. Holy smokes. Get this out of here. Man. Woo. Make me work, man. Open this box up. It's probably all the hardware. I don't really need that. Get this out the way. Nice. Finally got my anti-roll bar. Put this stuff in here. Beautiful. All right. Oh, one more. Sorry. One more. Go. All right. Here we go. So what we have here is my BMR anti-roll bar. Shout out to BMR. Shout out to my guy Dion over at BMR Suspension, because I was picking his brain over the phone for a few days, and he helped me choose the right or the correct anti-roll bar for my particular application and what I'm trying to do with the car. And shout out to him, man. Definitely shout out. He has a lot of patience, man. I know I was asking. I know I was annoying as hell trying to ask all these questions because I don't know really too much about anti-roll bars, but all I know is these bad boys are supposed to help traction. That's all I care about. I want that car to go straight, because once that Gen 5 3.0 Whipple goes in that car, we are going to the track, and I'm going to hit my goal, or my goal is not 89 seconds. I don't care if it's 999, but if this is going to help me hit that goal, well, I want it. So yeah, it's pretty good, man. Good quality. I got mine as a hammer tone black, because the rest of my BMR suspension in the back in the car right now is hammer tone black. So that's why I chose hammer tone black. So not bad. No need for me to open up the hardware, but because that's all in this box. But definitely not bad, man. I can't wait to get in this car. Anybody that's looking to get a roll bar in their car, you definitely should. Another thing to note too, also, from what I read in the instructions, there's some minor welding that needs to be done, but that shouldn't be a big deal. So once we get this on the car, hopefully it should help my 60 foots. You know, and hopefully it should reduce body roll in the car and make sure both wheels get planted to the wheel, man, when we dump that clutch and we hit that 9-second pass. But yeah, this is very nice. Can you guys see that? I like that little touch. I like that little touch here, the BMR logo in the back. Nice. Ooh, Nice touch. This thing ain't light though. This piece is heavy. It's the heaviest piece. But they got the, you know, different locations. Dion, again, if you're watching this video, I will be calling you when it goes in the alignment shop so we know what settings to set these bad boys. But shout out to Dion again, man. Real nice guy over at BMR Suspension, man. Real helpful guy. Definitely, if you have any questions on any BMR suspension products, that guy knows everything. Every product by heart. Whatever application you got, whether it's street, track, you know, he'll definitely find the right product for you. And that's all I have for you guys. This is BMR anti-roll bar that I'm excited that I got. Real dope. Of course, in this box, no need for me to open this box. There's all the hardware that needs to bolt this bad boy on. But yeah, man, thanks for coming to the video. Hit that like and subscribe. Support your boy. And I'll check in another one. Peace.